Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to talk about one internship opportunity. And this is not only internship, this is also internship with job offer as well as this is one type of the big national contest. So the people who will participate and will do better, they will get internship opportunity, and also after internship they will get the job. So what are the details I will talk in this video. For that you keep on watching this video. So first of all, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe my channel to get educational stuff on my channel. And if you are old, then kindly do share this video with your colleagues, friends and all who are going to graduate by 2021, and help one another to grab this opportunity and test their skill set. So now coming to the contest. This contest is going to be conducted on the HackerEarth platform. So I hope you are familiar with HackerEarth, and if you are belonging to CSC and coding, if you are crazy about coding, then of course I am sure that you have done a lots of problem on this platform, so you are very familiar with platform. And here the contest name is Campus Code Wars 2020 Engineers Hiring Challenge. So after this contest, followed by contest, they are going to hire 300 engineers. So at first you have to go for contest, and then they will shortlist some candidates based on the score, and after that they will take some interview, and then after you have to do internship is mandatory, and then after followed by you will get the job. So now let's get with the details. What are the details about this contest? So coming to this contest is going to open on October 2 around 7:30 a.m. and going to be end by October 4 12:30. So within the opening and closing time you can participate for 2 hours 30 minutes for this contest within any time slot between starting and opening date and time. And you have to register first, so you go with click the register, and then you go the sign up with your Google or LinkedIn or Facebook. So if you are LinkedIn, that is nice, you go and sign up with LinkedIn and apply for it. Once let me describe it, and then after I will just sign up and show you what are the things you required for it, right? So coming to the other details, I hope you are very smart enough to go with these all details and read it out yourself. So guys, I will provide this link in video description as well as in comment section, so you will easily open this and go with the description. But let me clear you some important notes about this. So only the student who are going to graduate either B or B Tech by 2021, means the student who are going to pass out by 2021, they can only get hired through this contest. You are belonging to other batch, or you are going to pass out in your other year, then definitely you can participate for this contest, but you are not going to be hired. Okay. And regarding a skill set, you can see here data structure, algorithm, OOPS concept and problem solving you have to know. So I hope you are clear with this. And coming to challenge format, there will be 2 questions, and you can solve in either of the language. 3 languages will be available for you: C++, Java and C#. And there will be additional 10 MCQs on web data structure, algorithm and other like OOPS concept and problem solving will be available. And this is web protected examination, so you have to click on the link and check it out, and you have to go. The number of position opening is the 300, so there will be huge chance you will get selected if you are good at. And job location will be the Hyderabad, and CTC will be the 7 LP, 7 lakhs per annum. And remaining details kindly go through you yourself. So about company you can also go through guidelines, and some frequently asked question also you can find here. And if you can't find, then please you go through this NCR website and ask those people. They will definitely reply you and clear your doubt. So now let's get started how to apply for. So register, you have to register. Click on the register. Well, and here you can sign up with your Facebook or GitHub account or Google. So you go with the Google, either of what you feel the is. So you go with and proceed. And then after you will see like this. Well, so there are some data will required, some resume will be required. So that's why I am enrolling and telling you. So you first beforehand you get ready with this requirement, and then after only you apply for it. Okay guys, so let me do it. Kindly bear me, the net speed is a bit low, my bandwidth is a bit low. And I repeat, if you like my work, then do subscribe my channel. You will get more educational related video and opportunity, free courses, certification courses, training, webinar, details on my platform. Right, so sign up has been done. I have created account, and again click on register. Right, so here you have to type your full name, then after you have to select your gender, then after select your current location, what is your current location, then after you provide your contact number with your country code. You type your country code here and mobile number, and also you have to provide your educational details, institution, what is your degree, stream, what branch you belong to, and graduation year. Right, and coming to the CGPA, what CGPA or percentage you have to type here. And here, are you willing to take up this job by challenge? So if you are going to pass in 2021, if you are going to graduate by 2021, you select yes. If you are belonging to other, select no. And if you have Aadhaar card, then provide your Aadhaar card number. If you don't have, then you can also write in sentence like I am from other country, I don't have Aadhaar card, like that you can mention. Okay, and here you have to upload your resume. So by considering what are the skill set required for this job, based on that you create your resume, you modify your resume, customize your resume, and upload your resume, and click on register for challenge. So this is all about this video and this opportunity. You can go and apply guys, and if you have any question, then kindly do comment me also in the video. I will find the answer and reply you out. So thanks again for watching this video. If you really like my work, then you can subscribe my channel and share this video. You can also join Telegram group of Deep Code Guru. You can find link in video description as well as in the comment section. Please stay at home, stay safe, and stay tuned with Deep Code Guru. Happy Love.